Hello doctors, I am Neha Vadavia. This video make you to understand how to make a discharge summary. So let's go to the software. For the discharge summary, go to the ward menu, indoor register. In the indoor register, all the indoor patient display here. And if you want to make a discharge summary of any patient, just select the patient and go to the summary option. Right hand side below, it's a summary option. So here your summary will be open and your findings and all the things comes from your indoor details. If you enter indoor details, then automatically comes here, and remaining details you can enter like presenting complaints. So if you have any presenting complaints, you can select here. Go to the return to main screen, and for the reason for the admission, for example illness or anything, or presenting illness, so bad, good, pro diagnosis and final diagnosis. If final diagnosis, if you want to change, you can also change here. Okay, and course after admission, if you want to add anything after course, back pain or anything else, and this at the time of the discharge, patient condition, EMA, or if patient is expired, all the things you can add here. If you want to add a past history of the family and past history of the patient, you can also add, for example diabetic patient or asthma patient, anything history if you want to add, so you can add in the past history. And if you want to advise medicines after discharge, then you can advise here. Okay, and if you want to give the doses, you can also give the doses here, this type. And if you want to give any instruction, you can also give that. And if you want to give any remark, you can also give this remark. And follow up after days, if you want to provide, you can also, all the things you can provide here. And just preview and print. Okay, so here select the path, and there is the word problem. Here two options for the print, so click on to the old print. So here all the things comes here: provisional diagnosis, final diagnosis, presenting complaints, clinical findings, physical examination, all that stuff comes here. And if you want to discharge the patient, just click on to discharge. So patient, you can also give the discharge type, for example DEMA or DOR, whatever you want. Just okay, and discharge the patient. Now you can check in the ward menu. Here patient will not display. If you want to check the patient list, just select the date and this patient will discharge. So you can get all the details: admit date, discharge date, all that stuff. And if you want to print out after some days, if patient is coming again after few days and then they are asking for the discharge summary or bill or anything indoor details, for the sometimes medical impatient wants indoor bill again and any of things, so you can just select the patient and click on to the details. So your indoor details print comes here. For the summary, just click on to summary, and for the indoor bill, just click on to the bill option. And if you want to change anything in summary, just click on to the summary, and you can also change here and you can print out. So this is the very easy to manage the indoor patient data record and very easy to print out and all that stuff. So this is the very useful feature for the indoor part for the hospital. So please try once, and thank you for watching this video.